Hey guys, it's Ben with Functional Chiropractic Rehab here today to talk about how to choose the right provider for you. We get this question all the time. Should I go to a physical therapist? Should I go to a chiropractor? Should I go to a massage therapist? Who should I see for this pain that I'm dealing with? And so we wanted to film a short video today to talk about the differences between the three and who you should go to depending on what you have going on. I'd like to mention first off that we see the value in physical therapy and massage therapy here at Functional Chiropractic Rehab, and we have openly referred to both kinds of providers several times, and we're happy to work in conjunction with them on any given case. One thing that you'd like to consider when you're considering massage therapy versus chiropractic or physical therapy is whether or not the issue that you're dealing with needs to be diagnosed in a little bit more in-depth way. What I mean by that is this a bump and a bruise, or maybe I'm sore from working out or exercising in some fashion, and I know it's going to go away soon, but I'd like to have someone help me speed things along? Or is this a problem that I've been dealing with for a while and it doesn't seem to want to go away, or I really think I injured myself here and I might have torn or hurt something in a real serious way? If that's the case and you're dealing with something that's got a little bit more teeth to it, we recommend that you go to a physical therapist or a chiropractor. Both of those providers have been educated in how to diagnose, evaluate, and treat any musculoskeletal injury that you could have. They also are both well trained in how to refer you to other providers if your injury does not fit their scope of practice. So if you do have one of those injuries and you're considering physical therapy or chiropractic, who should you choose? Which one's better for you? One thing to obviously consider is the personality type of the provider that you're working with. Does this person value the same things that I value? Do they have real goals for me to work on? And do I get along with them in a way that makes me motivated and inspired to work? If so, great. Then the next thing to consider is, are they practicing in an evidence-based manner? Now, we know that most of the research about evidence-based practice tells us that physical therapists and chiropractors should be practicing in largely the same way. They should both be using manual therapy, things where they have their hands on different joints and muscles in your body, applying pressure and moving things around. And they should both be utilizing exercise, things that you can take home with you to continue pain relief and to make it long-lasting into the future. So if you go to a physical therapist and they're only doing exercises with you and they're never utilizing their hands and providing that manual therapy aspect, or if you go to a chiropractor and they're only putting their hands on you and popping and cracking things and moving joints around, but they're never really giving you any exercises or anything to work on at home, you know you're only getting half of the puzzle, and you really should look somewhere that you can get the entire thing, or you should at least look for another provider to help co-care for your situation. One additional point to consider when choosing between a physical therapist or a chiropractor is the wait time to get in. Now, at most physical therapy offices in the Mankato area, the average wait time is between 3 and 4 weeks before you'd be able to get in for a new patient evaluation. At Functional Chiropractic Rehab, our average wait time is about 48 hours, meaning that for the most part, we're able to get people in either the same day or the next day after you give us a call. The big advantage to that is that we're able to get started working with you right away. And maybe we're even able to resolve the condition in the 3 or 4 week wait time that you would have had for physical therapy. Again, I'd like to reiterate that we refer to physical therapists all the time, and we find great value in working with them. And so don't feel wrong if you chose either option. Just make sure that you're choosing the one that best fits you and your needs. As always, if you or someone you know is in need of help, or if you're dealing with pain, we'd love to have you reach out to us and help kind of coordinate who's the right provider for you to go see. If you'd like to reach out, our phone number is 507-720-0302, and we'd love to help. Thanks, and have a good day.